Okay, today we are going to look at the differences between a lace frontal and a silk frontal. So before I flip it over to show you what the scalp looks like, we are going to start from the bottom, the underside of the closure. And so far you can see that this is lace, and so you can see right through it. It's not bleached and it hasn't been plucked or anything. Yeah, this is completely straight out of the package. And this one is also out of the package, but you see how you can't see any lace here? When I flip it over, you're gonna see that it looks natural scalp. Okay, ready? Okay, so clearly you see the lace. I would have to go in and pluck and bleach the knots in order for it to look natural. However, with the silk base, you get that without having to do any editing. See? Natural scalp. No need to edit, no need to pluck, no need to bleach or anything. And it's the same way from ear to ear. So let's see if we can pull it open from, you see? All the way from left all the way to right, natural part from either side. With the lace, not so much. You see that lace in there? Now, if you want the lace and you wanted to edit it, that's fine. Some people have different preferences, but I do prefer the natural scalp, the silk base closure, because you don't have to do anything to it. And it's a lot easier to just put it on and go than to have to get up in the morning and do your baby hair and kind of get the lace to match your scalp. And so it's up to you on what type of closure, but these are the differences.